Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add vote function in your Monday.com board. So let's start. I will just delete this so I don't have too many things here. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on add column, and here you just want to click more columns, and in search you just want to write vote, and just click here add to board, and here we got it. So we can have and people can vote or no. So yeah, and if you have multiple options here that people can choose from, you can simply do it like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.